What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nawaf Uding from Philippines. I'm a photographer based here in Dubai. This video is, I want to make it like really short because of most of my friends are really busy on their personal life, and they're just gonna be like, if I would make a longer video, they wouldn't like spend their time watching it, and it's gonna be boring also, and I don't want to bore them. They're busy in their personal life and they're just gonna like the video for me, and that's it. This video is about this mask. I know it has been used in Instagram multiple times. I just want to have an experience using this mask. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Okay, I want to keep it really short so people would watch it throughout the end of this video. I bought this like 2 weeks ago. It's an LED mask. I'm not expecting it to be weak. The LED light, it's weaker. The picture that they are showing on their website is like really bright. Then when it arrives, when I turn it on, it's not that bright, so it's gonna be one of the struggle using this mask. It's alright, but it's okay, but it's not really bright. So I'm just gonna be showing you how we did the photo shoot using this mask. Obviously, we have to do a photo shoot on darker places because I want this mask to stand out. The LED lights is not that strong. So we do a photo shoot during nighttime with my friend Kier. You've seen him if you watched my previous video, photography challenge. He's the one with me. We collaborated on that video, and he's gonna be collaborating with me again. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you how the photo shoot went. So yeah, let's go. So what's up? I'm going out now, and we're going to meet my friend. Okay. So after picking up Kyer, we're gonna be walking towards the place that I found before. I've seen this place before, and I've been planning to do a photo shoot on that location, but I never had the time to do it. So now is the time to do it. So it may take a while to walk there, like around 10 minutes, but I think it's worth it. There's the workplace of Care. So I guess I'm gonna be waiting here for a while. Let me give him a call. I'm gonna let him know that I'm here. Bro, yeah. Nandito sa tapat nyo. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, sige, bye. He's here. The man of power. Yeah. Tol! Okay lang. Basta. Tara. This is the overpass that I was talking about. We just arrived. We're hoping that there's no much people around passing by, so we can... So here it is, the place. It's so symmetric, right? So our plan is to get a shot here using the mask. Sorry for the noise because it's overpass. Lots of car pass. So we're gonna be starting the shoot. Let's go. What's up? Noah here from the future. I just want to quickly do a voiceover on this actual photo shoot because I wasn't able to record a vlog about the photo shoot at the same time taking shot because we don't have enough time to stay there. And yeah, as you can see here, I was putting the mask on to Mr. Kier, our frame here, and people are passing by. Struggle here is like we are keep waiting for people to clear out so we can continue our shoot. But there was something really unexpected that happened here on this video when I was preparing care for the shoot. These guys behind us, they are approaching, and I really love their reaction when they saw the mask. It's really funny when I saw the video when I was editing it, and their reaction. I don't know if they were acting or they are surprised or scared about the look. I was looking at it and I was so laughing so hard about this. I had to stop editing and laugh so hard. And seems like they enjoy watching us doing photo shoot because they stay there behind me just to watch how we do the photo shoot. And I love them. We have some audience that watching us. Bless them for making me laugh so hard. So you can see here, I was trying to instruct here what pose I wanted him to do. I was showing him first the pose that I have in my mind instead of like telling him what to do. I try to also some shot outside this barrier on this overpass because some people are still coming through and we couldn't wait anymore for them to like for the people to clear out the pathway. After the shoot here, we actually came across with this unexpected location that we're not planning to have a photo shoot. It got our attention. It's really amazing, the lightings. It's a driveway and it looks so cool, but we are worried that we might get kicked out from there because it's a private place. We are really hoping, I keep saying I hope that we can get some banger shot on this, at least 2 or 3 photos. So we tried. If they kicked us out, we're not going to do the photo shoot, but we really wanted to get a shot on this location. It's amazing location.
So we're done getting a shot here. We're about to go to the next location that we just passed by. It was interesting location. It's like just over there. So we're going there right now. I hope we got something here that really awesome. So let's go. We're hoping we can get a shot here, and I don't know. I'm just hoping that everything's gonna be alright.
I once again instructed Care what to do, and he's really doing a good job on this shoot, even though he's just a photographer. And during the time I was taking the shot, I felt that there's something behind us, and I thought about right away that this is the security guard that going to kick us out to stop the photo shoot and ask us to leave. So I wasn't expecting this. What he did is just really amazing for me. I'm really happy about that. He just looked at us and check us out, what are we doing, and he just leave. He did not even ask us what are we doing there. Maybe because he just saw us doing some photo shoot and he just let us do our thing. And I was so happy about that. I was running and okay, I'm gonna get the second camera because I feel comfortable on this location because seems like it's okay to do a photo shoot here. So yeah, we did our thing. I was so happy.
Solo na namin siya, walang sasakyan. So we're gonna be live. So we're done, and let's end the video here. So we just finished the shoot with care, and we're going home because we're tired. And yeah.
Hello again. So the photos. So I'm gonna show you the top 3 that I really love about this shoot. It's gonna be this one. Number 1. I really love the shot here. As you can see, it's really, the mask really stands out, and yes, the background, it looks really nice and dope. The next photo is this one, the shot on this outside the barrier. I really like that also. It brings out the drama, the way Kier hold his mask and it's just hanging out like that. And this one, his hands, is the way he do the hands and the camera, and the background is just like that. It's amazing. Nice care for doing that. Props to you. You did a really amazing job. So that's the best pick on the first location. So the rest of the photos, I will just quickly flash them later on this video. I'm just gonna show you the top 3 picks that I love on the 2 location. So the second location, what I really love the most also, okay, the first one is this one. It's like he's holding the camera on his shoulder and it looks like a gun. I really love that kind of drama right here. That's the best one so far on the shoot. And the one he's just sitting here. Second one on this one as well. I love that. That's the top 3 pick, and the rest the rest of the photos I'm gonna flash them quickly. So 1, 2, 3, go. So that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you are new here to my channel, and comment down below if you want to know, or if you want me to make a video about how I edit those photos. Just let me know. Comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.